Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I do not know what's in here. In fact, I have absolutely no idea who sent it. It also came from another country, so it is triple intriguing, and I'm going to share the contents with you here in just a moment. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. As per usual, if it is something I can link, I will link it right down below in the description so that you guys can check it out if you want to. It does help my channel when you use my links, but that is entirely up to you. Do you guys like just mouth the stuff along with me now? Okay, so there's like a packing, so I'm going to get that out of there. But it doesn't actually give me any other information there. So we need to get through a couple layers. Am I that concerned with the box? No, I don't think that I am. So I know that I could be slicing into the contents, but no, I missed it. Okay. Okay, we got there. We have a black zipper pouch. Every day is Christmas on the Metal Complex YouTube channel, but it's not always for me. Ah, yes! Yes! Oh, I was wondering when this would come in. Oh, sick! Okay, so if you guys look at that edge. Dude, you did not have to do that. I know. When you said, so I just talked to Mr. Grambeau the other day. This is the Russ. I ordered, oh, look at that pivot. Look what he did there. Oh, that's so nice. I love this. I love the see-through pivot. This model is something that I was very intrigued with when I got the prototype. I said, I have to have one of these, right? He messaged me and he said, I was like, hey, do you know when that'll be? He said, actually, I'm just putting your edge on. And I was like, putting my edge on? He must mean he wasn't happy with something and he was just touching it up. I didn't realize that he was putting a mirror edge on this sucker for me. Oh man, that is cool. The final product of this, and I'm speaking to everybody watching and Mr. Grambeau, is fantastic. And I was pumped about this when I got the prototype. I can see now that we have a hollow grind, which is beautiful. If you're wondering, like, why were you so pumped about that specifically, I'll tell you why. I love the textured titanium, but I also love the fact that this is actually a frame lock. Look at how we do this. This is reverse from what we normally see. This is not a liner attached to the frame. This is the frame, and it has a titanium overlay. Oh, that's such a beautiful way to do that. I don't know why I'm whispering, but it's so beautiful. And the lines on this thing, oh man, it's kind of, man, I don't know. It's like Hinderer, Les George, and Chris Reeve all together, and then they tossed in the Strider pivot, right? I love the see-through hardware, man. This is so nice. Oh man, I'm so pumped. This is one of the cooler knives to come out in 2022. If you got yours, I am certain that you are very pleased with it. That is just beautiful. Wow, I'm really excited to have this one. Beautiful centering as well. The D10 on these is fantastic. I might just have to make that a regular part of my rotation. It kind of checks all the boxes, right? If you're worried about that texturing. I've already reviewed this in prototype form, and I don't know, you know, the final product might warrant a separate video. This is just an unboxing and first impressions, not an actual review. You can go watch my actual prototype review if you want to. But anyways, there's a pad under here. For those of you worried about the texturing fraying up your pants, now there's a pad right there that will keep that from happening. Wow, this is really, really cool. I'm so happy to finally have this. I forgot, I kept saying, you know, I don't have any more pre-orders that I'm waiting on. I forgot for a little bit that I was actually waiting. I just knew it was going to be a long ways out, right? I really hope that he continues to do stuff, and I really hope that he does more of the Russ, because this is just a great model. Just really cool. But I hope that we continue to see more from Mr. Kane Grambeau. Grambeau. Sorry, Kane Grambeau. There we go, right there. But yeah, definitely. Make sure you guys check him out. I wonder if there's any info. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. Details. No, we don't need. We just got his signature. I like the card there. That's pretty cool. And then what do we have here? Is this a disassembly tool that he sends with it? Aw. That's cool. So you can get the pivot apart. Okay, very nice. Good deal. Well, I got this box. I was like, what the heck is this? I have no idea. Very cool. All right. Make sure you check out Grambeau Knives on Instagram. I'll try and make or link the website down below so you guys can be ready if he does additional pre-orders in the future. Absolutely. But yeah, you'll be seeing more of this knife on my channel for sure. This is definitely something I'm very interested in. Very happy to have for sure. So anyways, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.